Hey guys, it's Vivian Wynter, your beauty and lifestyle professional, just coming to you today with a tutorial on how to glow up and how to make your skin the best it can be and really elevate yourselves. So right here, I'm going to use an exfoliant. You guys know I'm always going to focus on the exfoliant. Every day is our first step. This is Trader Joe's, actually, the microfoliant. It mimics a dermabrasion, so it's a very gentle exfoliation, but it also has sort of a finer grit to it. So it's going to feel gentle on the skin, but it is going to go in and do a nice exfoliation. So I'm working upwards, not downwards, and you guys will see me really working into the skin. Look at my technique, making sure that I'm working against gravity, not with it, really focusing on the nose, the lips, any areas the side of my face that you would kind of have thicker skin, if you will, and that's exposed to elements more. I'm going to focus on those. So those are typically the protruding areas of the face that we see. Now, if you guys notice, I wanted to show you what exfoliation does. Even just in a day, I already have dead skin. Say it with me. If you have dead skin underneath your makeup, your foundation will slide. You will never have an even, smooth makeup application, girls. I hate to tell you if you don't. And let me just stop it right here and qualify myself. I've been an esthetician and makeup artist for 21 years. I work with celebrities. I work with everyday women just like you all, just to help you elevate yourselves. So I'm here creating content now on how to do that. I've worked for those past times in the luxury beauty and fashion arena, so I've worked with literally every brand imaginable. If I haven't been a regional manager for them, I've been a trainer for them, I've been an account executive, and I've also been just a local makeup artist and esthetician early on in my career. If you're trying to do the math, I started when I was 19 and now I'm 40. So make sure you guys hit all the areas you see behind your neck and you see behind your ears. But if you have any questions about anything, please let me know. We're going into the jar. This is the cold plasma pericone. I'm going to go really close to the eye line, you guys. That's my technique. Please follow it. If I can't tell you anything else, please get as close as you can. Do not be afraid. Even when I see you guys doing the patches on the eyes, I'm like, girls, what are we doing? Because the patches are down by the cheekbone, doggone near. So make sure that you're getting it in a place where you can actually utilize it. It's doing your eyelids as well, doing the crow's feet on the side, and lifting upwards, not downwards, working against gravity. Yep, so I'm just checking out, making sure we can get rid of all that texture that we just washed away, and I love it, love it, love it so much. And then we're going to do the nasolabial folds. So that are the lines that you guys see here. They're often called expression lines or laugh lines, but I'm a very happy person. I like to keep it that way, so I just use my skincare to combat it, right? So now I'm using the Strivectin eye serum. The cold plasma, really, the difference in that and the eye serum is it kind of addresses the 10 signs of aging in one. I used to be an account executive for them, so I love their brand. It's actually my highest recommendation for an anti-aging brand or for a treatment line. I've been using them the whole time I've been an esthetician on myself every day without fail. So I'm getting super, super, super close. Love it so much. All over the eyelids, around the eye area, just lower than the eyes as well. You guys see that I'm not just using on my eyes. I'm using on the levens in between my eyebrows, on the nasolabial folds, on my cheeks. Never, ever, ever in your life, and I'm talking about ever, put the vial up to your skin. Please don't do that, you guys. The amount of bacteria. The amount of bacteria we're transferring from the bottle to the skin, back to the bottle to the skin, back to the bottle to our hands to the skin, back. It's too much. This is single-handedly going to keep your skin congested. I promise you that. Now, making sure that we cannot use the pump as well. We're just going to put it right in our skin. Don't ever in your life, ever pump it straight on there. No. We're going to put it in our hands, right? Tap, 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 and swirl, swirl, swirl on the pads, not on the palms, on the pads, right? And then we're going to work upwards. Y'all know I'm just working through this. I got this sped up just so you guys can kind of see it really quick. But yeah, making sure whatever you do to your face, you do to your hands and neck. So important because we age there fastest. Do not ever spray it all over. Even application on the hand. That's what we're looking for, an even application. Pat, pat, pat. We're going to pat and roll it into the skin. This is my technique that I guess you could say is my own. I pat it and roll it. So when I was an esthetician for those brands for so long, I would often show clients how to do that to their skin so they can get the maximum absorption into the skin of the product. I love the Vaseline Rose Oil Lip Balm. So not only is it a pretty pink color that is gorgeous on everybody, it's so neutral and fleshy for everyone. It has rose oil and it has a very light rose scent. Check your girl out. Bow. I love it so much. So I'm just making sure everything looks good. Nothing better than a fresh face, ladies. Love you.